Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Brother Movies Atmosphere.
Atmosphere, yeah. So atmosphere is the air and it's wind and what else?
So first, I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane.
Do you want to show a finished paper airplane first?
Okay, that's a finished airplane. It's my version of it. Okay, so first, so you explain it, Mama. So first, I go like this. Okay, corner to corner, like this. Yeah, and then I do the same thing like this. Yeah. Yeah, like this. Open it up and press the front and make it look like a triangle. Yes. This. Yeah, it's not be that good, but okay. Yes, and then yes, and then fold it up like this. And now fold it down like down. This one too. Now fold it in half. Then fold in half. Fold it again on the side you are on. Now wait. You went wrong. Yeah. Yeah. And you got this. Yeah. Make sure it's got the flat top thing. And if you want, you can also open it, but I don't think you should. Then put it in. Put it in. And fold the back and to put it in. Then fold it here like this. Fold the wings. Usually can be with my armpits. Yes, and yeah. Tear it here, however you want. Yeah, I usually go like this one, and then you have a paper airplane, and you can color it however you want.
Okay. Let's do a bit of learning about the atmosphere then for the moment. Well, you've got your paper airplane. Show them the one that you've got. Maybe you can draw this. It's a really successful.
This one is the one I made a few days ago. I made this a few days ago. Not really successful for the string, but it can fly. It's good.
Okay. Then about the atmosphere, let's just share. Oops. Atmosphere when you fly a plane, we are above the clouds, aren't we? We go
Yeah.
above the clouds.
So we're in the atmosphere.
Yeah, and it's
Okay.
blue. Do you remember yesterday we went to the bridge, Millennium Bridge, and we saw the lots of buildings in the distance? What color they were?
Okay, it was blue.
They were blue. Yeah. Do you know why they were blue?
It was atmosphere.
Atmospheric perspective. Yeah, makes things blue from the distance. Leonardo da Vinci also wrote about it. And do you know there are some? This is about the elements in the atmosphere. Now you know a bit about elements in the periodic
Yeah.
table, remember? So
Oh,
yeah. So this one is here. What's in the atmosphere? Do you know what O2 is?
oh,
Apart from the
true.
mobile phone company. O2 is ox. Yeah, Kashi, you got a oxygen right
And H20 equals water.
there. H2O is water. That's right. So we have oxygen. And do you know what this one is? N is nitrogen.
Oh, okay.
So
And
nitrogen, oxygen. And argon. And then these are, it says the composition is excluding water vapor. So it's not counting the water H2O. Yeah. You can talk. Come on, Kashi, yeah, because Kashi said it right, so he wants to talk too. So you said, I'll show you. This is a chart of what's. So just wait. Did you sit down here because you've got to both record it in your scroll something? Just think yes to the end. Okay, so we have oxygen and nitrogen, and inside here, all this tiny, tiny sliver here, you have, it looks like argon, neon, helium. Don't worry about these two, hydrogen. But you have carbon dioxide as well. This is a bit more complicated. Ah, this one is a good photo. This one is the atmosphere, okay? Stratification stratus.
that's a good one. I like the
So
color.
this is, where do we live? Up here or down here?
Down.
Down here. So we have here, troposphere, stratosphere. So when we say things are stratospheric, they're going really high up, like a rocket, a plane. Where do planes go? Where do rockets go?
Then you go to that.
Yeah,
Above. Well, rockets go above that.
that's true. Yeah, because you see the clouds that go above the clouds. We have meteors can go here. Ozone,
But
mesosphere.
little meteors, they go there and then they dissolve. So that's why
right.
we never had it.
Now we have the thermosphere. You can see here the International Space Station and the exosphere.
That's
Maybe that's
Might be.
what happens up here?
Oh, that's space.
Space. Yeah, that's just space. So there you go here.
Okay.
This is a spacecraft coming back in. Can you see the colors?
I like color.
Maybe we can paint that one. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it.
Yeah. Okay. Shall I get your paints then?
Oh, and it's okay. So,
This is all when you're a bit older, temperature, speed of sound, speed of light. That's also to do with the atmosphere. Oh, the sun. What happens in the sun? Do you remember India? India is very hot in the sun. And you can also get atmospheric pollution as well. And that happens, and the sun looks which color? It looks bright.
what?
Bright pink.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, bright pink. I like that.
Oh, okay. Okay. Are you ready? And in the meantime, while we wait for Gogo, Didi wants to do something, which is what? Yeah. I will try this for you. Okay. Didi's idea. The other atmospheric thing you can do is fly a kite, and you're going to make a kite.
I'm not making kite.
Okay, tell me what you want to do.
I just want to tie on here and it puts on top of
Okay,
the
but then
thing, and then the fan blows the airplane like a real airplane and flies.
Okay, so you need to make a hole, right?
I think so.
Okay, so let me make a hole. Only Mama does this. Do you do this?
No.
No, only Mama. So wait a minute, because I'm going to get my
I'll see, okay?
very sharp thing.
I'll look at it.
You can watch me do it, but it's very, very sharp, these things.
Yeah, I've seen it a lot.
Yeah, I don't want you to use anything like this. So where do you want the hole? Can you tell me where you want the hole?
Maybe I'll just put in the middle.
In the middle?
Maybe not.
Where? I think other one.
Maybe here.
Maybe here?
I mean, maybe in.
Because this is the front of the plane, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'll put the hole here. Oh, there's a second hole. This is the hole, okay? So I made a hole. Only Mama does this. Is a very sharp object.
I can do the putting in.
You can do the putting in. Come on then.
Those I have.
Okay, this is inspired by Gogo's.
Have tiny.
Okay, so come on, tiny hands.
hands
Come
and-
tiny. Okay.
Connect it.
Yep.
Look, I'm using my tongue and licking it to licking down to make the string sharper. How would I do it? I don't know how to put in. I tried to lick it.
Okay, shall I help you? We're gonna put it in through this hole, yeah? Sometimes you need another thing to poke it through. Let's use the end of the brush.
Brush.
Brush. Can you wait 1 second? Okay, I've got it in now. So should we tie this here? Watch me tie. Didi's idea was a very good one. So we actually have our fan. So it's a hot summer's day, isn't it? So we have a fan on. I do double knot, I do triple knot to make it extra, extra, extra secure. And he wants to put it next to the fan.
Something to hold it.
But can I show them in the meantime? In the meantime, it's like this. Look what happens. We hold it
It's
here.
wind.
They're making wind.
Yeah, look.
Paper fan.
Look.
You can imagine.
This paper fan, it does. You don't see it. It's wind.
Yeah, it's wind. These are the paper fans they made, and you can make a paper fan as well that can represent wind and atmosphere. Okay. Okay. Get your paint. Now, do you remember what it looked like? Remember the colors?
Oh, yeah, blue, dark blue, blue, light blue, every blue.
Let's have a look one more time. Let's get your thing ready here. You just do it here.
Can I do smile?
Yeah, this was.
Oh yeah, I can
Can you see? This was
this
this was it here, Caspi. This one. Do you remember?
So blue, white, and dirty white, and red and black. Really?
Try and do it like this. So you can see it. Then yeah. Okay, I'll get you.
I'll get the paintbrushes. Okay. No, I'll take them. Alright. Line, right? Playing fun. I think that was. Okay, so that's a lot of blue. Like if you play, I made out of keeping the idea in my head, so I know it.
Yeah.
Because I tried with this thing once, and I made a I tied it, and I made it, and I made a string bird. And then the slide, I put something on the fan to blow it.
Wow.
You know what the fan blows?
No.
Wind. Or air. Air and wind or wind.
Okay.
Air and wind. Right, Mama?
Yep.
Air is a wind. Wait. This.
So,
This is the atmosphere, my friend. So that's the letter of my atmosphere. It's good, but
I make the blue a bit darker. It's good because
oh yeah, it's a little purple. Okay, I'm not gonna taste it. Just kidding. Okay, but what about the end? Even the Japanese sushi Who needs a bowl? Oh, what was it? That bowl the duck. Black pepper. Yep, I think I'm done.
Okay. Okay, Kashi, it's your turn then.
Your turn.
You want to make a fan with them?
Uh,
Do you want to show how to? I know. Do you want to make a tiny fan with the origami paper?
okay, a spare piece of paper. So spread it out. So fold it evenly. I'm not gonna do it that even because it's not perfect. There we go. It's all up there.
Yes, I
Oh
will.
my God.
Hold on.
I'm all at the feet. And do it at an angle. On the head. Okay, until you finish doing the last one of it. Yeah. Okay, and then your fan's done, and at the end, take it a bit. There you go, a mini fan machine and fan tool.
Oh, you did it, well done. Now, Kashi, it's your turn.
What's on?
Kashi, yeah. You can sew sides.
I have no idea.
Okay, let's move this away.
I don't think I have one.
Okay.
It's your turn.
Kashi, your turn. Come on, baby.
No. Actually, they don't get 10 pounds.
Yes. Maybe you can have it. Kashi.
And I need 20 pounds.
That's so you can have live people, then we can have it, otherwise not. Right, ready? Oh, it's this way around, isn't it? You only get paid if I get paid, okay? For the admin, then you get. Okay, come on. Come on, Kashi. Speak. Yes. Kashi, are you coming up? We can't make people wait, sweetie. Come on, we can do some sewing up here. Come on, Kashi. Kashi. No, it's your arm, or brother. Kashi. Are you coming? Come up here and show them.
No, I can't. Doing something else.
Can you do like this way? They can't see.
No, you what?
Okay, Casper, you have to do all this. So they can see it.
No, can't do it. If you keep on distracting me, I just can't do it.
Okay, I want to distract you.
Stop! You're distracting me. You just distracting me. You promised and you broke a promise. Now you're going.
Didi, what are you doing?
I can't.
They can't see you. Just do it. Do it on here so they can see you.
No.
Watch it. Can you sit down and do it?
No, I
They're not.
can't.
They won't watch you. They'll get people watch.
Just stop it, stop it, stop it! No, don't!
I think
You can't tidy up.
go take over. Go take over. Didi. Boys, people are not going to watch. Switch off if you're going to do like that. I do. Don't take over that one. Don't take over that. Just give it to Didi to go. It's just what I'm saying. You better switch. This is Didi, so I think you. Now, what else can you do in terms of marketing?
Mama, give me into job.
I don't have anything done. Show you can show for something.
Okay. For example, inside here is atmosphere.
Inside there is that money. Flame line.
Where's my money got?
Please spend.
It's my money, Dad. I'm just showing you atmosphere what it looks like.
Is that cheap?
Yeah, actually, that's good. Just take a jar off and just let's do it. Okay, Cassie, take Cassie, go along. Wait, me. What am I sewing, Mama? Yeah. Give me back now.
It's here. Okay, go on, take it. It's there, it's there. Come on, come on. Let's do it. Ashley, come on, come on. Come on, sweetie. I have to tidy up. It's such a mess. I have to tidy up now. You do. You can explain. You remember we sewed. Oh, I know what we can show. We can pass the parachutes. That was atmosphere, wasn't it? Twice through the atmosphere. Do you have to show the parachutes in it? And that was sewing, wasn't it? We can sew together a parachute. This is good sewing. All right.
I just need sewing to ball.
Okay. And how are you sewing?
Like, and you
You do it.
poke this into through and
Look up here,
through.
look up here.
Mm,
Look up here. Okay. So Didi's experiment worked. We made the paper airplane and then we put it next to the fan on the string and then it's flying away like that. Yeah, I can see it now. That's a good experiment. That's some good sewing. What are you making? Show it here. Look up there so you can see. Kashi, look up there. Kashi, look up so they can see. Have you got any ideas of how you can draw the atmosphere here?
don't know. I don't know what is.
Well, it's the air we breathe. How can you show the air? How can you paint the air? How do you think?
Maybe just like blankets. We can't see air, so just keep it blank.
Keep it blank for the air.
Yeah.
But what can we see in the air?
If we touch air, what should we do?
We're breathing air now.
What if we touch air?
I'm touching air now. Look, I'm touching air now. Are you touching air?
Yeah. Touching air means touching your mouth.
What lives in the air? What lives in the sea? What lives on the land? What lives in the sea? Is that
Sea animals.
sea animals? What lives on the land?
Turtles.
Turtles.
Some turtles.
Some turtles and some turtles live in the sea. Turtles live on the land. Sea turtles live in the sea, right?
Yeah.
What lives in the air?
Birds.
Birds. Oh, birds are coming up from the air. What can go in the air? What flies in the air?
Birds.
Birds. What else? What else flies in the air? What do we see?
Can
Can I throw the needle for you? Sure. Can you tell me what else is in the air apart from birds?
hot balloons?
Hot balloons, hot air balloons. Yeah, that's true. What else is in the air?
Planes.
Planes. What else is in the air that we made just now? You want to show that one? This one. Do you know what it's called?
Okay.
This one here. Show them, show them.
Not okay.
This one is.
It's just a ball. Oh yeah.
This is a.
Hot air balloon.
Yes, it's also a parachute.
No, it's not a parachute. It's a hot air balloon.
Okay, it's a hot air balloon and looks like a hot air balloon, but it's made from parachute fabric. So do you remember how we did it? We put the eyelets in here.
Wait, why is it dark?
Just leave it. You're leaning on it. You're leaning on it. So you put the. You can explain how I did it. Oh, you just got it wet now. But it's okay. Look, you can see if it's wet, it's actually waterproof. It's waterproof and windproof. It's very, very special fabric. Look, it's hard to cut it even. Look. It's hard, you can't tear it. Look. Can't tear it. Can you tear your fabric? It's different to this fabric, isn't it? And there's a special stitch that they were going to teach us. We didn't have time to learn. But basically, if you want to sew a parachute, you have to sew it in like, hold it like this, and then hold it like this. So you have two seams. So basically, you can't it won't get loose in the middle of the air because you don't want the parachute to stop working while it's going down. And then we attach these eyelets to strings and strings to this, and then we have our own little parachute, mini parachute slash whatever. Oh, okay. And how's this going? How's your sewing going, baby?
Good.
Good. And then can you draw the air here or something in the air? What would you like to draw in the air? Ah, what's this one? Let's search for what Didi's done. Looking good.
A big ball.
A big ball. Here's him.
Usually this scissors can't cut it.
Okay.
Where my oh right.
Hmm.
What does this look like? It's like a jellyfish or it's like a jelly octopus.
Oh, jelly octopus, like a sea creature.
Hmm?
Okay, now Didi, can you see what Goga's done? Just have a look at the scroll.
One.
Can I show you the atmosphere here? This is our atmosphere. So we live, can you see? We can see clouds, can't we, in the air? So we've got the color of the sky. What's the color of the sky? Look outside.
Blue.
Blue, yeah. And then if you go further up and up and up and up and up, what color does the sky get?
Dark and dark.
Dark and dark and dark until it is
The space.
space. Yeah. So do you want to draw that then?
There's no light in the space.
That's true. Can you see this one? Shall I change your water? They can't hear you.
Space.
You can't weave in space.
Can't breathe.
You can't breathe in space. That's right. Now, can you see what? Can you?
So that's why you need a special coat.
A space suit. Yeah, that's right. Okay, Didi, can you see these colors? Not leaning on it, because otherwise it flickers. Okay, catch me. Okay, can you see this one here? Can you then paint it? If I give you these, what colors do you need?
Um, rainbow color.
Is it always rainbow? Can you see the colors there? This is the paintbrush, this is the water.
Not always.
Okay.
Only that I see is
I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay, keep it there. Okay, there's your paintbrush. There's your paint. You can copy that in here. Okay, so now you can paint. Can you see the paintbrush? Can you see Goga's one there? You copy your one here. If you're painting now, I'm gonna put this back. You don't have to do paint. Do you want it in paint or do you want color pencil? Do you want photo? What do you want? Just do paint then instead. Here's your paintbrush. Okay, he's just going to the toilet. Gogo and I, we can paint the atmosphere for Didi, can't we? Okay, he thinks he's looking at me, so okay. I'll start with the white at the bottom. And then we also have orange, bright orange. Here. And then we have some sort of a turquoise color. Very nice color. Here. Did you want to come and check if I'm doing it correctly? He's drying his hands now. And then we're going to have a darker blue.
Back, Mama.
Okay, you're back. Can you see if I'm doing it right? Can you see this one and that one? What other colors do I need?
I can't. I think I need. I need to quickly be older because otherwise I can't see it.
Okay, and then we have darker blue here. And after the dark blue,
Darker blue.
okay, you do it then. You do it.
Darker blue.
You do it.
Need a bit taller. Actually. Which food do you take? Do you take this food?
I mixed this one and this one to get a really dark because that's purple. Yeah.
You can mix my colors. So it needs to be very tall.
Okay.
He's taller.
Okay, I see.
I see he's very tall. It's very tall, right?
Yeah,
And
then
we need to add some
you do.
black.
Okay, you add some black there.
Some black top.
And where can you see the spacecraft? Where is the spacecraft? Is it in the blue bit or the black bit?
The blue.
Look again.
The black bit.
Yeah, it's in the black.
Because I see that looks like a bird. So I think it's a space. I see that looks like a bird.
Oh, okay, but birds also don't fly in space, do they?
Yeah.
Not yet, anyway.
Flying bird.
They fly in. Yeah, and we need the
The
atmosphere.
air.
Breathe the air. Yeah, we can
Those-
breathe the air.
And then you float around, not fly. It's easy how to float. You know that space we can finally fly like birds.
Yeah, because there's no gravity.
It's
Do you know what
gravity.
gravity is?
I don't know.
If you drop something, if you drop a stone, where does it go? If I let go of this, where does it go?
It goes in my hand.
It goes in your hand. But if we do it here, let's do it here.
Look, I can simply catch it.
Okay.
I can catch it.
Okay. But if you let go without catching it, where does it go? Ah, it goes downwards, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's gravity.
Yeah, it doesn't.
It doesn't stay in the air. It doesn't float, does it?
Yeah, because
What about something really light, like this thing you made of Mama?
this thing I made, I stick
Mama,
I put this on.
but what happens if you let it go?
It's just like, I try. It was just made of cardboard. Can I try?
Okay. So try to explain gravity.
Yeah. You don't have to worry about breaking stuff. See, Mama.
Oh.
See on the so this is cardboard.
Okay.
And if you put on here, it floats away.
It'll fly away.
Okay.
Yeah.
And paper, it blows it away.
That's right. Yeah. Okay. But look what happens if I let go of this. Does Mama float?
No.
No, Mama drops down. Mama falls down because of gravity. Yeah, well done, gravity.
When I fall down, I'm just like drop.
Oh, okay. Okay. So now I think
I'll fly down. It's really easy.
Yeah.
It's really easy.
Okay.
When I make myself
Okay.
go up, it's
Okay.
quite hard.
Okay.
The gravity's pulling me down. When I go down with the gravity, so easy.
Okay, now let's
Well,
put
what?
these two here next to each other. Oh, it's the wrong way around. Okay, go downstairs.
Hi, English people. 你好，中文人。我们现在在说重力。我们现在用重力和气氛。所以这个是，所以我把这个放手，它就会掉在，因为有重力，这个哇，看看，这样，那是你要这个。 Now I tried this way. This worked. Weird. 长方形。
一起做长方形。这个是什么？
方形。
正方形。正方形是。
这是那个。
对，做。Could you explain it? I'm coming.
有一个。那个是什么？为什么？Yes，那个是哪里？剪刀，剪刀。怎么？我有了，我有。
给你这个。
你就有了这个，然后这样。这样。
啊，
这样。这样。这样你的纸飞机就好了。不会吧？我不走了。所以我我把它这样就是中立，但是推买 golden，但是如果你做了个更大的，它就没有中立。
有什么？
你看
得看。
啊，你有大的，把它给飞了，把它扔出去，好吧，还有动力，但是这样的飞机没动力。对，谢谢。
谢谢大家。
谢谢大家观看，下次见。